Hello everyone and welcome to a Welsh Fintech in Focus, where I'm here with Sally-Ann Skinner, Chief Revenue Officer at Oggi, to discuss some recent news at Oggi. So thank you so much for joining me. Let's talk about this new high capacity route into South Wales. What is it and its significance?
Well, it's a landmark contract with Welsh Government, bringing a high-capacity fibre network to South Wales, one of the fastest-growing digital economies outside of London. It's a brand new route, and the route itself goes from Pilning, which is near Bristol, across the Prince of Wales Bridge, through Newport, the data centre Vantage, and then onto Cardiff. So, with established businesses like Vantage Data Centre and sort of data-led sectors like fintech, and remote broadcasting, there's never been a better time to bring a network like ours to South Wales.
So the network sounds like a huge undertaking. What were the key challenges you found along the way and how did you tackle those?
As you can imagine, it was a huge feat of civil engineering. And I guess not least, the major challenge is, trying to provide as minimal disruption as possible on what is a really busy road, the M4. Yeah. So actually one of the really innovative solutions that we deployed was micro-trenching. And that is essentially a really fast and efficient way of digging a trench on a hard surface for us to lay our ducts into. A Welsh first. We've never used that in Wales before. And it enabled us to, on the sections of road that we used it, to complete those roads more quickly and to reinstate the road more efficiently as well.
So, Sally-Ann, you've got a great partnership with Welsh Government. How has this partnership contributed to Wales's digital advancement?
Well, as I mentioned, I think, Wales is one of the fastest growing digital economies. We employ 55,000 people in the financial services sector. We've got an annual turnover in the creative sector of 1.7 billion, employing over 34,000 people. So, never has there been a better time to have a network that drives more investment and more innovation into Wales. And I think this really provides an opportunity for that growth and expansion.
So with rising data demands in Wales and across the world, how will this benefit fintech specifically or the media industries? How will that help?
Yeah, I think for fintech and for businesses in general, connectivity is essential. It's absolutely crucial. It is a utility. And having a resilient network on our doorstep will drive investment and growth into the area. It's bringing in exciting projects already. If you look at Whisper Cymru, they'll be broadcasting the Paralympics, Summer Paralympics, that's massive. But in order to do things like that, you need to have the network and the infrastructure to support that, which we can offer. And also, I think, it enables businesses in Wales to flourish on home soil. You don't need to go somewhere else to do it. We can do it here, and people can live and work locally and work for these really flourishing, successful businesses.
So this is all super exciting. What's on the horizon for Oggi and how can people find out about it?
Well, we are 3 years in to our ambitious rollout programme of full fibre. And right now, our focus is really attracting customers to our base. We've been very successful in that, but continuing to do that. But also, we've now got quite a large growing base. So it's also serving those customers, making sure they're happy, making sure we provide that service that they need and want, whilst also really looking after our own staff and, working with the wider ecosystem within Wales. It's an amazing place to work. It's super fast paced. No 2 days are the same. Yeah. And it's exciting. And I guess if people want to know more about that, they can keep up with our latest news and adventures through our website, which is www.oggi.wales.
Brilliant. And that's the same for customers if they're looking to get on board with Oggi as their broadband provider?
That's right. We have an online platform to self-serve.
So thank you so much for spending time with me today at Fintech Wales HQ. If people want to connect with yourself personally, can they do that via LinkedIn?
Yeah, absolutely. Love that. That's one of our kind of core channels of communication. So that'd be lovely to hear from people. And it's been great to be here today. So thank you so much for having me.
No problem. Thank you so much.